Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the honey hive seed pack in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the seed pack looks like, and if you want to buy the seed pack, you need to go to the honey shop. Wait, let me bring you to the shop. So the shop is here guys. Alright, and you're going to open the shop. Then you can buy the honey hive seed pack with 2.5k honey coins. I'm going to buy it. Okay, and these are the possible seeds from this seed pack. And if you're lucky guys, you will get this one honey bumble bulb. You only have 0.5% chance to get this seed. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my honey seed pack and let's see what we get. Okay, come on. Okay, I got honey sting petal. Okay, this is the common seed, and let's open it one more time. I hope that I can get different seed. Oh, okay, this is uncommon seed. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, that's how you can get the honey hive seed pack in Grow Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.